Hey guys, Stargazer1331 here, bringing you battle number 142. So, let's do this thing, guys. Ooh, I think that may be lightning, actually. Yep, Hong Meiling. Wow, okay, this should be... Wow, yes, yep, that was right. Sadodes and Lightning, that's a great duo, actually. I like that duo. Against Chomper and Hong Meiling. Yeah, I was gonna... Sadodes and Lightning should win this pretty easily. Witness the slaughter of everlasting proportions taking place in front of Peter Griffin's house.
Stab, slice.
He's going like, holy crap, Lois! Look what's happening outside our freaking house! Aw, sweet!
Stab, slice. It's not just I won, it's because you also failed.
Yeah. Oh man, good old Dark Doll 1. Rest in peace, DD1. Rest in peace.
Try harder.
Yeah, and unfortunately, things were going terrible for him on YouTube, so he quit. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Some of the shit Dark Doll wanted to deal with, I can't blame him. Yeah, the reason I mention him is he was the guy who created Sadodes, or I should say, created the edit of Shigi Nanaya, to which Sadodes was born from. Whoa, Lightning's dead. Chomper can beat Sadodes. I will officially be impressed.
Stab, slice.
Ooh, wow, good combo by Sadodes. That's the thing that makes Sadodes mean, is his freaking wall jumps.
Off with your head. Going up, get up.
Going up.
Come on, get up.
Oh my god, this is so suspenseful.
Try harder.
Yeah, I think Chomper's done.
Try harder than that. Yeah! Huh? You're dead? How pathetic. You should have thought a little better before you fight. Try that next time.
Yep, and that's supposed to be Nick Hooper, which is a character based off of Dark Doll 1. Yep, you totally deserve this. Oh my god, my friend Mr. Jump 987 would absolutely like tear him. For some reason his voice just annoys him. It's just one of those like kind of inner pet peeves that you just hate it because it's just something inside you, but you don't know what it is. Alright, at any rate, that's gonna do it for battle number 142, so stay tuned for battle 143 coming up soon.